Hey guys, welcome to the Daily Social. This podcast is to help you grow your podcasting channel, your YouTube channel, or any other channel that you may have. And we give you tips and tricks on what to do and how to grow them and how to gain subscribers for your specific niche or talent. Hey guys, welcome back to today's podcast. Now in today's podcast, which is episode 12, we have it titled 2019 Internet of Things and the 5G Evolution. So if you guys are interested in this, let's just jump right into it. And if you guys don't know what IOTs are the Internet of Things, which means everything is connected to the internet, and everybody's now using the internet to connect their phones, their Bluetooth headphones, their Bluetooth speakers. Their house is basically connected to Wi-Fi or the internet. Like basically everything is being connected to the internet on a daily basis. So the Internet of Things is growing at a monumental pace. And if you guys don't know or know about it already, self-driving cars are a thing now. Within like 10 to 20 years, which is just mind-blowing to me. Everyone will be using it, and we won't have to be using like gas or carbon dioxide to pollute the earth and everything like that. So if you guys have a self-driving car, great for you. Really do appreciate it. But internet and technology are like everything nowadays. We use it to connect our house, our TVs, our cable boxes, our just anything that has an internet connection we connect it to. And with 5G evolution coming into play now, we are ecstatic that 5G evolution is coming into play. All of the phone carriers are using it. MetroPCS, if you don't know, MetroPCS and T-Mobile merged together, and Sprint and AT&T are advancing towards 5G at the end of this year. So 5G evolution is a thing. Self-driving cars are a thing. And everything is connected to the internet nowadays. So we just love all the technological advances that the world is moving towards. All the major providers are jockeying for position on the 5G evolution, like T-Mobile saying that they're better than Sprint. Sprint is saying that they're better than Cricket Wireless, and T-Mobile is giving out free phones and everything like that. Like everybody's on this technological wave nowadays. And as we progress further and further, like we just want to see everybody in like the 5G evolution in the 2019-2020 season, just like grow and manifest and continue to do good. And self-driving cars are going to be a thing, which they are now. Like within the next 10, 20, 50 years from now, everybody is going to be using them, and their houses and stuff like that are going to be connected to the internet and everything like that. But if you guys are interested in the Internet of Things and also the 5G evolution and 5G itself, make sure to hit me up on IG. I'm going to link my IG down below. And if you guys enjoy this podcast, give it 5 stars on Apple Podcasts and wherever else you get your podcasts. And before we go, guys, we got a question of the day for you guys. What do you think about the 5G evolution and technology in general? Make sure you guys call in on Anchor and leave a voice message to give your suggestions on it. If you guys want to, you guys can DM me on Insta at csnakedoc13 and let me know. And thanks for listening to the podcast, guys. And we'll see you guys on episode number 13. Hey guys, thanks for listening to the Daily Social. Make sure to subscribe to the Daily Social on Apple Podcasts or wherever our podcast is available. Thanks, guys.